You can have a day where you were busy all 8 hours, never wasted a minute, and still finished it completely drained, more tired than the hardest problem you have ever solved. That's not overwork, that's something else. It's called cognitive load tax, the mental energy you burn on work that needs your attention, but not your intelligence. And for most of us, it eats 3 to 4 hours of our best capacity before we even touch the work that actually matters. I want to show you exactly where that tax comes from, what it's quietly costing you, and the best shift that gave me my best hours back. And it wasn't working more. Okay, it's called the cognitive load tax. It's the mental energy you burn on work that demands your attention but absolutely none of your intelligence. Think about the hours lost to formatting, debugging simple syntax, wrangling messy data frames into shape, or reading through dense API docs just to find one endpoint. This tax quietly eats 3 to 4 hours of your best capacity before you even touch the work that actually matters. The real problem isn't just the hours lost, it's which hours you are losing. You are spending your fastest cognitive capacity, your morning hours on work that needs it the least. So by the time you finally get the high level architecture decision or extracting real insights from your machine learning models or preparing that critical stakeholder conversation, you are running on fumes. Your reserves are entirely depleted. And this is exactly why I built out my AI stack. And it wasn't so I could just work more. It wasn't to ship more output in the same 8 hours. I built it to remove the cognitive tax entirely. When I handed off boilerplate code to Cloudy or used Gemini for deep research, I am not just saving minutes, I'm actively protecting my mental budget. Every tool in my workflow is measured by one metric. How many cognitive load does it remove? And here's the shift that changes everything. AI does not make me faster at data cleaning. It removes data cleaning from my cognitive budget entirely. That is real ROI. It's not about output per hour, it's about strictly protecting your capacity for the work that needs your use specifically. It's not about doing more. It's about protecting your mental energy for the work that actually moves the needle. The honest caveat, removing the tax only helps if you use the reclaimed energy on the tasks that are high value, not filling the time with low value tasks. Comment if you have felt like this, the busy but drained day. Next week, I am getting into the other half, making the work you do impossible to ignore.